Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing another Hasbro unboxing. Beyblade X Hasbro unboxing. A Talon, Ptera, and whatever. God damn it. It's 380 ball. Hasbro, really love this packaging. But yeah. Yeah, sorry. I just woke up. Yeah. Let's get this unboxing. But yeah. Here's the only other Hasbro battle. Really can't wait to get the other stuff. Yeah, definitely once I get a chance to. It's probably starting next week. I'll be able to start to really collect. Hopefully. But still, I am behind on TT stuff. But yeah. Oh god. There we go. That went a lot easier. There he is. Here's the QR code. Definitely around. I forgot which one this one was based off of. No, the ball. There's ball. I actually really like this black and yellow color and white color scheme. It definitely reminds me of my junior high school. Oh god. That was kind of stiff. But yeah. Definitely really cool. Let's do a launch real quick. Okay. And let's do a battle. Okay, battle time. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.